This is one of our favorite color combinations on the Shelby trucks. Right beside me, this is a 2025 Shelby Super Snake F-150. Agate black, black stripes, chrome wheels. What a menacing combination. And that's right, this year at Reddick Brown Ford now through Memorial Day, May 26, 2025, if you buy a 2025 Shelby Super Snake F-150 or off-road, you receive this free custom Reddick Brown Ford golf cart or take advantage of our private offer. This right here is one of the most dynamic street trucks on the market, fully custom and limited production from Shelby American in Vegas. This truck is one of those, can't miss. So we saw a carryover from the 2024 model year here into 2025. Same core Shelby design on the front end, one of the best looking pickup trucks in the aftermarket world. This is a custom dual intake ram air hood that's functional. You've got your hood vents, your honeycomb design that we've seen since the first iterations in 2016. Full replacement custom grille and bumper honeycomb design. We've got a new styling here on these Super Snake F-150s with your Shelby Cobra badge here on the side and your Shelby lettering right on your front bumper. You've got your chin splitter here. Truck's gonna be about 8-9 inches of ground clearance. Now, this is supercharged, so you're gonna see your lettering here on your hood. We do sell, all of ours are supercharged at Reddick Brown Ford. Small fender flare here, gives it a little bit of depth on your Super Snake F-150. And a beautiful tire and wheel combo here. Ride Tech suspension, 305/40 22 Toyo Proxys tires, wrapping this beautiful chrome 22-inch wheel. Dynamic style and setup. Fender badge here. You'll notice your Shelby lettering here on your rocker panel and your 4-piece ground effects kit. Now, agate black truck, all painted to match components from your side mirrors, door handles, all custom parts painted to match. And this is our 5.5-foot bed crew cab truck, painted to match tonneau cover. Gonna see that stripe follow front bumper all the way down here towards your rear bumper. You've got your Shelby lettering on the back, and in 2024 carried over to 25, new rear bumper, exhaust fits flush, and the sound is absolutely dynamic. Take a listen. So hard shell tonneau cover, make sure that flows with the direction of your stripes. And you'll notice we've got our carpet lined bed here in the back. So Velcroed in, makes it easy to protect all your valuables in the bed of your truck. Very light tailgate, easy to close, pull handle right here, and we're locked. 36-gallon fuel tank for this F-150 502A Lariat equipment package. We'll take a look at the inside and see what they've dialed up. All right, so Lariat 502A hard-loaded chassis. You're gonna see beautiful elongated front dash from Ford. Carbon fiber accent, high-end, 12-inch center screen, and we've got our digital cluster up front for all your gauges. So you're gonna see you've got analog climate control in the front, heated steering wheel, and you've got your heated and cooled seats. For your seats, we've got upgraded seat covers from Shelby, black with red piping, and your Shelby lettering in the back, perforations here in the headrest. That way it can accommodate this incredible rich sound of the Bang & Olufsen Unleashed system. So great sound quality. Beautiful leather wrapped center console. It's got your Shelby plaque, serial 16 of the Super Snake F-150 trucks. And you'll notice when we take a look under the hood, you'll see the corresponding engine bay plaque as well. So you've got Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth, adaptive cruise, all the safety and security that you want. Great 10-way adjustable seats. So the beautiful leather, it's very easy to sit in. We've got one of the largest cabs in our class. Second row, second to none. Those are leather wrapped seats as well, and they're heated. You've got your rear power rear sliding glass and your twin panel moonroof here. Great view. You can just open your shade if you want to open your shade, or if you want to open up the glass, you can open up the glass all the way. Now to get this thing going, we've got some Billet racing pedals up front that are adjustable, so your foot pedals are adjustable here. And underneath the hood is where we're gonna see where all this power comes from. Under the hood, we've got Ford's 5-liter V8 Coyote engine, 3-liter Whipple Supercharger powder coated in Ford Racing Blue, oversized carbon fiber air intake tube, really reliable power, peace of mind product, and you've got Shelby American behind it. This thing is incredible. The warranty that you're going to get is a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Everything has been made easy for you to maintain at your local Ford store. If you use us, we've got pickup and delivery service as well. It's all labeled, customer service information for phone numbers. You've got your spark plug gaps labeled, engine oil, and all your maintenance there. You've got a Shelby owner's guide as well. And plus, when you buy this, you'll get entered into the Shelby registry out in Las Vegas with your serial number. So 24/7, if you want to take a look at our inventory, you can go to reddickbrownford.com. I'm Brock Patterson, National Specialty Vehicle Manager, and you'll find out why we're America's #1 Ford Performance and Specialty Vehicle dealership. If you want to check out all our latest inventory arriving daily, go to @ReddickBrownFord or @Brock Patterson. You can see that live as soon as we get inventory. 2025, buy a Shelby F-150, receive a free golf cart, or take advantage of our private offer. Thanks for watching.